Let me summarize how I do the majority of the orthodontic treatments that they need braces. Patient comes and we start with the placement of tubes. When we do the tubes, we need to use two mirrors that you can find in the bonding box, the bonding cassette, in order to retract the lip with one of them and to check the position of the tube with the other mirror. For this reason, I also recommend to have mirrors with two sides. Another thing that I recommend to do is to have two tubes holders in order to place the tubes of the first and the second molar at the same time before light curing. Meaning, I always prefer to put the two tubes per quadrant. So I do 6 and 7 on one quadrant and I light cure. So we have also an explorer to remove the excess of composite, and I added here a pincetta if you want to put a cotton roll for some isolation. Only when I have the tubes ready, I go for the placement of brackets on the anterior teeth. And for this reason, I use a lip retractor and I selected a bracket holder that will help us to place one by one in the correct position. So I believe this kit has the necessary instruments according to my workflow to do a correct bonding of the patient.